Welcome viewers. We are going to be looking at this question. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to employ my use substitution. So that's the first thing I'm going to be doing. I'm going to let my u to be equal to sine x. Okay, so my du is going to give me cos x dx, which is what we have at the numerator there. So I can rewrite this expression as now cos x dx is already my du, okay, being divided by, I'm going to now have u squared minus 5u, since sine x is my u, minus 6. Okay, this is same thing as integral of 1 divided by the u squared minus 5u minus 6 du. So what I'm going to be doing next is to factorize. I'm going to factorize the denominator since it's factorizable, and the factors I'm going to be having is going to be u minus 6 and u plus 1, so that is going to help me to do this. So the integral now becomes the integral of 1 divided by u minus 6 u plus 1. Then I'm going to be separating it into partial fractions, so we are going to be employing our partial fraction, which is going to be u minus 6 added to b to give us u plus 1. So after we've been able to do this, we are going to employ the partial fraction. This is for the partial fractions. So this is going to help us to get to our answer. So when we do this, the next thing we are going to do now is to find the LCM, which is going to be u minus 6 and u plus 1. So when we do this, we are going to have a into u plus 1 added to b into u minus 6. Alright, and this is equal to 1 divided by u minus 6 and u rather plus 1. So you see that the denominator is the same, so when we cross multiply, the denominator is going to cancel out. I'm going to be left with 1 to be equal to a into u plus 1 plus b into u minus 6. So for me to get a for, let's say for b now, let our u to be equal to -1. So if we do that, we are going to have a is equals to 1 is equals to a into -1 plus 1, which is equals to plus added to b, okay, sorry, that's added to b to be -1 -6. And when we do this, we are going to have it to be, this is going to give us 0, okay, while this is going to produce -7b. So our b now is going to be -1/7. All right, so the next thing is for us to get our a. Let's just get our a very quickly. So we are still going to be using the same expression, and it's giving us a 1 to be equal to a into we have it to be u plus 1, then added to b into u minus 6. Now I need to get my a. So for a now, I let my u to be equals to 6, so that this bracket can produce 0 for us. So I'm having 1 now is equals to a into 6 plus 1 plus b into 6 minus 6. Okay, so I'm going to have 1 to be equals to 7a. Then my a is going to give me 1/7. Alright, so the integral now becomes 1 divided by u minus 6 multiplying u plus 1 to now be equal to, our a now is 1/7 of the integral. We see that our a rather is having u minus 6 at the denominator, so we're going to put that back. So we have u minus 6. So our b now is going to change this sign to negative, so we have 1/7 the b, that's our b now, into u plus 1. So we are going to be doing the separate integral, so we are going to be integrating this and be integrate this also. So when we do that, we are going to have this to be 1 over 7 the natural log of u minus 6 minus, in this case also we are going to have 1 over 7 multiplied by the natural log of u plus 1, okay, plus c. All right, but we should recall that our u has been defined as sine x, so we are going to be placing that back so that we can have the answer in terms of x. So finally we are going to be having our answer to be 1 over 7 multiplied by the natural log of sine x minus 6 subtracting 1 over 7 the natural log of sine x plus 1 plus c. And brethren, this is our final answer. So thanks for watching. See you in our next video.